In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a CSV file into Notion. This is a powerful way to bring data from spreadsheets directly into your Notion workspace, making it easier to organize, track, and manage information without manually entering everything. By the end of this video, you'll be able to seamlessly transfer your CSV files and have them properly structured in your pages. To start, make sure you are logged into your Notion account and open the page where you want the CSV data to appear. Once you are on the correct page, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots. This opens the Page Options menu, where you will find various tools and settings for your page. From this menu, select the Import option, which allows you to bring external files into Notion. After clicking Import, choose the CSV option. This tells Notion that the file you want to bring in is a spreadsheet. Next, click the button to select your file. A file browser will open, allowing you to navigate to the folder where your CSV file is stored. Once you locate the file, select it and click Open. You will notice that Notion begins uploading the CSV file immediately, and you can see the upload status in real time. Once the file is uploaded, you will be prompted to map the CSV headers. This step is important because it ensures that the columns in your spreadsheet match the properties in your Notion page. Take a moment to review the mapping and make any necessary adjustments. When you are satisfied with how everything is aligned, click Import CSV. Your data will then appear on the page, organized according to the headers you confirmed. Importing CSV files in Notion is an efficient way to consolidate information from other tools, maintain structure, and save time on data entry. Whether you're working with project trackers, inventories, or contact lists, this method keeps everything neat and immediately usable within your Notion workspace. With just a few clicks, your CSV content becomes a fully functional database inside Notion, ready for further customization and management. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully imported a CSV file into your Notion page, making your workflow faster and more organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.